Take a deep breath in and out. Inhale, arms up, reaching towards the sky. Exhale, twisting over towards the right. Take a big inhale in, lengthening your spine. Exhale, looking over your back shoulder. Inhale, we rise. Exhale, opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine up tall. Exhale, looking over towards your back shoulder. Take a big breath in and draw those hands up to the sky. Exhale, bow in front of you. Taking your hands right in front of you, lifting into your knees and shifting back into a nice tabletop. Rocking your hips from side to side, maybe some nice circles, just getting acclimated with your own body. Knowing that you are uniquely designed and only you can provide it the nourishment that it needs. Coming back into a neutral position, feeling the energy through your palms. Inhale, your chest up, head up. Exhale, releasing, thinking as if a piece of string is at the ceiling. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. One more, inhale, best breath yet. Exhale, release. Beautiful, coming back into a neutral spine. Inhale that right hand forward, left hand back. Hips should be square. I'm drinking South African rooibos hot tea now. I should be able to put a tray on your back, feeling energy from the palms of your fingers or the tips of your fingers to the toes. Take a big breath in, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, reach. Holding here, bringing down that palm down, hands still up. Shifting that leg down, rocking on this left leg. Hey, toes, Achilles, ankles. Taking a big breath in, lift that left hand in the air, bringing that right leg parallel to the back wall. Take a big breath in and out. Use that core to lift yourself all the way up for a nice skate pose, coming over towards the opposite side. Big breath in and out, cartwheeling your hands back down. Reaching all the way towards the front wall, this time lengthening out. Inhale deeply. Exhale, start doing nice arm circles. Nice and slow, using your gaze to carry yourself through your thumb. Reverse those circles. Beautiful. And when you reach the top, I want you to grab that string up top. Exhale, threading it through towards the back wall. Inhale, rise. Opening up your chest even more. Exhale, thread it through. Inhale, rise. One more time. Exhale, threading it through. On your next, you're rising your hand and lift that left leg into the air. Exhale, grabbing that ankle, opening up your hips, shifting your pelvis forward, your chest forward, feeling energy through your palms. Big breath in, lengthen that top leg up a little bit higher. Take a big inhale here. Exhale, using your hips as nostrils, releasing through your hips. One more inhale. Exhale, bringing that leg down to the ground, rocking your hips from side to side. Taking an inhale, we rise our chest, our head up to the sky. Exhale, releasing like a piece of string. Beautiful breath work. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Coming back into a neutral position. Lengthen that left arm, right foot back. You know the drill. Take a big breath in. Exhale, lengthening more. Big breath in. Relax your shoulders. On your next inhale, we stretch as far as we can. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Best one yet. Gently place that left hand down and that right leg down, rocking on that toe, Achilles, ankles. On your next inhale, rising that right hand up high to the sky for a nice modified side plank. Take a big breath in and out. On that inhale, shifting your body up for a nice reverse. On this side, lengthening as far as you can. Big breath in, reach. And on the exhale, cartwheeling your hands all the way down, lengthening your arm to that front wall this time. Inhale, exhale, go ahead and cartwheel. One more, taking it all the way down. And go ahead and do nice giant arm circles here, taking a big breath, allowing your gaze to follow your hand. Reverse those circles when you're ready. Coming back into a neutral position, reach to the top of that ceiling. Inhale, grab that thread. Exhale, thread it through. Inhale, rise. Opening your heart. Exhale, thread it through. Inhale, we rise. Open. Exhale, thread it through. Inhale, we rise and we lift that right leg, grabbing that ankle, opening up your hips as nostrils, big breaths in. Exhale, think as the breath is percolating through your lungs, exiting through your hips, lifting that leg a little bit more. Maybe you're tucking in that cheek. Take a big breath in and out, releasing it to the ground, rocking your hips from side to side. Pity pat those toes. Hey, toes. Untuck those toes, and we're coming into a nice floating tabletop. Belly button is married to your spine. You are anchored here within your palms, taking a large inhale in. Exhale, pressing back for your downward dog.